The two red vests near the outside going really well at the moment. Good bend too by Van Niekerk in 5. Going strongly as Matsoso in lane 3. But look at this run from Bryan Levell of Jamaica. Steaming away with this one. Watch the clock. It's a new meeting record.
Jamaica's Bryan Levell has just set a new personal best and meeting record of 19.69 seconds in the men's 200 meter at the Gyulai István Memorial, solidifying his place as one of the fastest sprinters in the world today. After an explosive season marked by impressive personal records in both the 100 meter and 200 meter, Levell is proving he's ready to take on the global stage. In this video, we'll dive into how his journey from high school standout to a rising sprinting star is shaping up, and whether he has what it takes to claim a medal at the upcoming World Championships. Let's get right into it. The 2024 season saw Bryan Levell running a 100 meter personal best of 9.97 seconds and 19.97 seconds at the Jamaican Olympic Trials.
Set. Away they go. He got a very good start. Andrew Hudson, Javari Thomas is up and about as well. Andrew Hudson, Javari Thomas. Nice transition off the curve. Andrew Hudson has some company on the inside from Javari Thomas. Hudson steps ahead of the pack now. Levell is coming forward. Sprouting wings on the outside. Very, very close. 19.94.
He made the 200 meter team for the Paris Olympics and advanced as far as the semi-final stage. Since his first outing on the senior stage, Levell has been determined to get faster and show the world that he is more than a champs star who competed for the Edwin Allen High School. At the Racers Grand Prix, Levell ran a wind-aided 19.79 seconds to win the 200 meter.
Set underway now. Clean start. Christopher Taylor got a fabulous start. So too Bryan Levell. Dambile is ranging up. They spring off the top bend now. Christopher Taylor. Dambile on the outside. Jack is running a big race. Levell, the national champion though, sprouting wings, steps into another gear. This is a supreme performance. Bryan Levell gets there ahead of Christopher Taylor.
This performance made him the favorite to win the event at the Jamaican National Championship. At the Jamaican National Championship, Bryan Levell ran a 100 meter personal best of 9.94 seconds in his semi-final, but he finished 8th in the final. Levell had to put this 100 meter disappointment behind him as he ran 20.10 seconds to make the 200 meter team.
Set underway. The first time of asking Levell was away well. So too Christopher Taylor and Adrian Carr. Levell, the defending champion in the red, glides off the top bend. A lovely transition takes them into the home stretch. Christopher Taylor gives chase. So too Adrian Carr. Bryan Levell on top. Christopher Taylor coming forward. Carr is coming forward. Bryan Levell.
To add to his race sharpness, he competed in the 100 meter at the Raiffeisen Austrian Open Eisenstadt, where he ran a massive 100 meter personal best of 9.82 seconds. This time placed him in the conversation as one of the best 100 meter and 200 meter athletes of this current generation of athletes. Bryan Levell has been striving to break the 20-second barrier in the 200 meter, and the Gyulai István Memorial presented the perfect moment for him to achieve that goal. The field was quite a competitive one because it had a 400 meter world record holder, Wayde van Niekerk. The time came for the race, and Bryan Levell got an excellent start and tried his best to run a great curve. He came off the curve in the lead and just kept going, which led him to cross the line in a new personal best of 19.69 seconds. This time ranks him as the 3rd fastest Jamaican man in history. Bryan Levell was excited about his performance as he went over to the clock to take his photos. This season has seen Levell making steady improvements over both the 100 meter and 200 meter. He will only be doing the 200 meter at the Tokyo World Championship, and the world should be on the lookout for this talented dual sprinter. With each race, Bryan Levell continues to break barriers and set new personal milestones, proving that with determination, no dream is too big. As he heads into the World Championships with a personal best of 19.69 seconds, the world can expect even more from this rising sprinting star. Now that he has set a new personal best of 19.69 seconds, it's clear he's on track to make a huge impact on the world stage. What do you think is next for Bryan Levell? Will he bring home a medal at the World Championships? And how do you think his determination will inspire the next generation of sprinters? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Also, check out our video discussing whether Bryan Levell can win in Tokyo this season or not. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates. Be sure to turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. This is CaribFocus Sports. See you in the next video.